In this video, we will learn how to convert PDF into soft or DOC file. It can be converted to two ways, one through app or software and another is internet. So Netro PDF is a software which do it freely. So open Netro PDF, you can see on the screen, and open file. Locate the file of PDF. It has several options, but I was requested by Mr. K. Alam to convert the same to Word. So you can see I press to Word. It means that the PDF file is now converted into soft Word file. It's 3 pages. However, I can't show you the 2 pages that is related to some personal information about my last visit. You can see on the screen that the text is editable and even image can be removed or replaced, which is not possible in the PDF file. You can see that I wrote JQ Khan Tech, and the text is also soft. You can see at the back that the original file is uneditable in PDF. Now you can see that the Word file, even images, removable as well as replaceable through undo. Now we will simply do the same method free of cost through internet. Go to Google and type free PDF to Word converter. It will show you a series of free available web which do this service freely. You can choose anyone, or you can choose the best one or the easy one which suits you. You can see almost each and every page has the same interface. So there is no big change, but simple PDF to DOC or some related. So we will choose a web, or choose a file, locate the PDF file, and now you see the graph, press convert. Now you can see that more than 13% has been completed. Press download. The file will automatically come to your computer. I'm just renaming them to identify my file easily. So you will see that the file is completely editable and you can do any change you desired. The file is safe on desktop. I'm going to open it. Remember, press enable editing button. If you don't enable it, it will not do anything to the editing. So I enable the text edited button, and now the text is deleted, more text is added. Even enter or whatever format you would like, it will automatically do the same in accordance to your desire or your need. It's now simple DOC or DOCX file or TXT file. It will work in accordance to you the same methods through which it can be edited. Thanks for watching. Hope you would like it, and I would like to suggest that don't miss my next coming video that is related to some free webs that provide services, even software. So I hope that will be greatly benefited if you see. So thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Please press subscribe and comment. Thanks.